Hey friends, Eric Zanatelli here, and I've got another smart money move I want to talk to you about. We had some clients come in. They were all excited about buying a house. They had it all figured out in their head how they wanted to do it, and they figured they had just the perfect amount of money so that after closing they would be out of money, but the house would be theirs, and their payment would be lower than they were hoping it was going to be by putting a little bit more down. We got to talking about it, and when they realized every $1,000 that they put down only saved them $7 a month on their payment, we reworked everything. We also negotiated. I showed them how to help negotiate with the seller to pay some of their closing costs. After closing, they're now going to leave $10,000 in the bank. Their payment will be $70 a month more, but they can afford it, and they're happy about it because now they're not going to be penniless after the close of their loan. Interest rate's important, fees are important, but the most important thing is that you're making a smart money move when you buy a house. If my team and I can help show you how to do that, we would love to do that. It's important to us that you think about those things. Please message me below, private message me, or give me a call because my team and I would love to take care of you.